time in Cairo, and we decided to visit the Pyramids of Giza, and in the background you can see a big pyramid, amazing view. So it's just impossible to describe everything because the view is outstanding. There are a lot of people, Egyptians and tourists, and well, actually that was quite chaotic at the very beginning because we couldn't figure out where to buy the tickets, but there are some Egyptians, they work here and they help. So they helped us, so then we entered this place and we were like riding in a carriage, horse carriage with the Egyptian guide. He told us some information about the pyramids, and then we decided to have a ride around the pyramids. Then we had a stop. We've made a lot of photos. We also rode a camel, and then we decided to go back. We took a lot of amazing photos, so that's really nice, but be prepared because visiting pyramids is quite expensive, so you need to understand what you really want to visit because there are a lot of pyramids, and I guess the exit to each specific pyramid, I mean the price for visiting is different, so get ready. You can study the information in advance online, you can book tickets online, and be ready because the box, ticket box, you can only pay with your credit card, no cash accepted, or you can book tickets online. So come to Egypt, visit the pyramids and stay with us, so bye bye. So hello everyone, we spend our time in Cairo and currently we are visiting the Pyramids of Giza. As you can see, there are a lot of people, so local people, Egyptians and tourists as well. Also you can see a very interesting type of transportation here, like a horse carriage. So behind me you can see the pyramid, a very big one. The pyramid is a very big one. Also you can see the desert, also the horses. Yes, very interesting. Look, the view is beautiful and people are taking a lot of photos. You may spend hours deciding how to take a good photo. So yeah, amazing. Here you can see the city, and also you can see the pyramids here. The pyramids here. It's possible for you to go inside the pyramid, but you need to check the prices and you need to check the information about the exit, because when we came we weren't ready and we didn't know what to do, how to buy the tickets. So the best option is to check everything online in advance and be ready. Yeah, the traffic is heavy sometimes. Well, see, look. I'm not sure about the price, but for tourists, you know, the prices are always very high. So be ready. A lot of Egyptians, as you can see. So today is a holiday, so that's why people spend their time with their families. You can see a lot of kids. And also when we were entering this place, I saw a lot of school children. So they probably have some kind of an excursion, maybe a school trip, I'm not sure. Yeah. So the weather is okay. You know, it's not cold, it's mild, but it's super windy. So I'm wearing a jacket and not trousers. But some people actually wear t-shirts, so they are tourists basically, because local people, they dress quite warm. A lot of people. spent money on a carriage, a taxi here, I don't know, a horse. You just walk. You walk, you walk. That's okay. The distance isn't very long. The buses with tourists. So, and we are approaching the Sphinx, as you can see. The Sphinx. Let me show you the view right now, because the view is amazing. Look, the pyramids. Amazing. Pyramids. Camels. You can see people riding camels. Horses, also horses. Here also we have some pyramids. Cool, yeah? Okay, so the Sphinx. Camels. It's quite chaotic, but quite understandable. Also there is a cafe. You may drink tea or coffee, but you know, the prices are quite expensive. Well, because this is a tourist place, first of all. Camels. And the Sphinx is here. Like, cool, yeah? When I was at school, we studied the history of Egypt, and of course we had classes about the pyramids. But when you see this in reality, that's a different thing. I can't describe the feelings because it's just impossible to describe, but amazing. So come here.